In this video, you will learn how to withdraw from YourSafe account. First, log into YourSafe account. Visit the YourSafe website and sign in into your payment account using your credentials. Go to the money transfer. Navigate to the money transfer section in the top menu of your dashboard. Select withdrawal method. Choose a withdrawal method, such as Euro, USD or another currency. Only bank account transfers are allowed. Enter your bank details. Provide your bank details, such as your BIC code, SWIFT code or IBAN code. Then, the account holder's information. Make sure your bank is located in a supported country. Confirm and submit. Review all details carefully and confirm the withdrawal request. YourSafe typically processes transfers within 5 business days. Additional documents may be required. Wait for funds and checks. Monitor your bank account for incoming funds. If YourSafe requests follow-up documents, respond quickly to avoid any processing delays. Now you know how to withdraw from your YourSafe account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.